So you want to make money on TikTok with affiliate marketing, right? Because you can't stand your job, or you're spending more time with your coworkers than you are with your family, right? Or you don't have enough money to pay the bills. Well, let me tell you, we are in a digital gold rush because of what's happening in the economy, and there's no better time to make money with affiliate marketing and TikTok. Now you might be thinking, I can't do this, but let me tell you, I know people who never talk on camera and are pointing to words, and they're making 6 figures a year. And I have a friend who made a $2,000 commission while she was on vacation because someone found her TikTok video and made a purchase. What I want you to understand is when you're wanting to get in front of your target audience, TikTok can allow you to do that very quickly. In fact, a friend of mine I've been helping has been able to get 1,000 followers in 16 days with what I'm going to share with you. But make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you what a friend of mine shared with me, which is her secret to getting high ticket sales on TikTok, and it's definitely not anything that you would guess. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, just in case you don't know, we're in a digital gold rush right now because of what's going on in the economy. More people than ever are looking to work from home and have a side hustle. So if this doesn't make you excited, I don't know what will. There are over 1 billion users that open the app every month. There are over 30 million targeted users over the age of 35 in the US, and that is growing. There are over 5 million targeted users over the age of 55 in the US, and that's growing as well. Now this is what's really exciting. 47% of users bought something from TikTok, and there have been over 4.2 billion views of the hashtag TikTok made me buy it. So that just shows you how many people are looking to buy something on TikTok. So stick with me because I'm going to share with you how to get in front of your perfect customer with hashtags. You can see right here, this is part of an ad. In under 30 days, we've grown our TikTok profile to over 120,000 followers and passively generated 753 leads, 68 customers, and 109 requests to join our business. But first of all, you want to decide on your niche. And the most profitable niches are the ones that people have most problems in, and that's health, wealth, and relationships. Once you do that, of course, you want to create an account. I would recommend, from everything that I've learned, you should create a personal account, not a business account. That's because you won't have access to viral sounds and music. Plus, you can have your reach throttled by a business account. So again, from everything I've learned from people very successful on TikTok, create a personal account. And you're going to need 1,000 followers in order to place a link in the bio. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making a great part-time income from home or replacing your 9 to 5, click the first link in the description below this video. You're definitely going to want to check this out because it's the best thing that I found in my 13 years online. Now, what about connecting with your perfect customer? First of all, for example, if you're in the make money online niche, like I am, you want to think of attracting people to you who are just like you. So for me, that is burned out healthcare workers and people who are professionals and tired of their jobs but don't know how to replace their high income. So for me, that's with high ticket products. And some of the hashtags I use are, for example, healthcare moms, healthcare professionals, tired healthcare workers, healthcare heroes, and learn high income skills. And guess what? I've connected with nurses, physician's assistants, physical therapists, and you see how powerful this is because you have a lot in common and you can help them. So if, for example, you're a truck driver, you might want to have hashtags like blue collar dads, work from home dads 2022, hashtags again like you. You see how powerful this is. Some tips on hashtags are: don't go for the really big ones first, stay under 100,000 if you can. And this is super important if you're in the make money online niche. Avoid hashtags with the word affiliate marketing or make money online because these videos are more likely to get flagged and you don't want that happening. And if you're selling a physical product, try the hashtag TikTok made me buy it and see what happens. Okay, so this is super important to content ideas. I see people going out there and trying to reinvent the wheel and do their own thing. When you're just starting out, model after already successful videos. Use the same sound, and you can model after the hashtags as well, and just recreate it and make it very similar to the original. Now you might be thinking, isn't this copying? No, it's modeling what already works, and TikTok rewards that. If you don't do this, it'll be very hard to see fast growth on your account. I showed one of my students this method, and she got to 1,000 followers in 16 days, which is really incredible. and she has a lot of people reaching out to her every day asking her for more information on her business. So you can find channels in your niche and look at their most popular videos, and again do something very similar. You can also go to the top where the search bar is and search hashtags having to do with your niche and find the most popular videos that come up and look to them and model after them. And then look for trending sounds and music as another way to create content. I did want to mention, even though you may already have a channel, you might want to consider starting a new one, especially if you look at the analytics and you're not being showed in the For You page. A great example is someone I know who had a channel already and started our 30-day TikTok challenge and was posting regularly every day and only got 143 followers in 30 days. She started a new TikTok channel after that, and as of today, she's at 1,008 followers, and she started a new channel just 18 days ago, so you can see this really works. So don't be afraid to start over. As you can see, you can really grow your channel fast this way. Okay, here's some ninja tips. If you're doing a lip sync video, like this one I have right here, in order to get the lip sync just right, after you click on the sound, you want to lip sync, then turn on 2 times the speed and use the timer. That way it slows the sound down to half the speed and you can get your mouth to go with the words perfectly. And this next tip will save you tons of time. So when you have a lot of people reaching out to you, you'll have a hard time keeping up. So on your phone, go to General Settings, then to Keyboard, and then Text Replacement. There you can put general responses you give to people and a code for that response. So for example, if something you normally would type out would be awesome, just sent you a message, let me know if you got it, you could have the code AJ. And when you type the letters AJ in a space, the whole phrase will come up. So imagine how much time this would save you if you had hundreds of comments a day, which is really likely if you do what I'm saying here. It's been a lifesaver for me for sure. Then another ninja tip is to have a keyword relevant to your niche in your channel name, not your handle, but your channel name. So if you're in the affiliate marketing space, for example, and someone searches affiliate marketing on TikTok, your channel can come up. All you do is go to your edit profile, and then you will see where you can change your channel name here. Now you may be thinking I said not to use the word affiliate marketing, but that's in hashtags. It's okay, and you want to use something like that in your channel name if it's in your niche. Just have something relevant to your particular niche. Okay, this next tip I learned from someone very successful on TikTok. She said after you post a video, go to your For You page and like and comment on 10 videos and then close out the app. She said she found this technique gets her a lot more views. So I recommend you try it out. This next tip on times, I learned from someone who's very successful on TikTok in the Make Money Online niche. But you can also look at the analytics and see when your audience is most active and post at those times. You can test it out that way as well. But he posts at 1 p.m., 3 p.m., and 5 p.m. And this next tip, as you become more successful, spammers will make a channel that looks like yours and leave comments as if they're yours, especially asking people to follow them on WhatsApp. So if you go to your mobile app, click on the 3 bars in the upper right-hand corner, then click on Setting and Privacy, then Comments. Go to where it says Filter Keywords, and you can add whatever words you don't want people to leave comments with. It's automatically saved. You don't have to do anything after this, just click the back arrow. And you can see you can filter out words like scam, what, app, and the @ symbol. Some more tips are that you can repost your popular videos up to 4 times, and I would space them out at least 3 weeks apart. So what I mean by this is you can take a video and click on copy link and then go to an app like Talk Repost. And I like this one because I've used a lot of other ones, but they stopped working. So I would recommend Talk Repost. And copy that link in there and then save it to your camera roll. Then you'll go to post your TikTok video and find it in your camera roll and use the same wording and hashtags in the original. Now you might be thinking, wouldn't that show to my same audience? No, TikTok shows it to a different audience. And you can see from the one I reposted here, it has 24.8K views, and the original one I posted has over 10,000 views. So you can see this is a great way to build your audience and get a lot of engagement. The next thing to do is video answers often. And this helps to connect with your audience and show them that you're a real person. So you do this by going to where you would write a comment back, and there's something that looks like a camera, and you click on that and then record your response. And don't worry, it's not live or anything. You can re-record it until you get it like you want it. And it will show up in your regular videos, like this one I did right here. And their comment or question will appear on the screen. So do this often and watch your audience and engagement grow. Someone who does this a lot is a teacher who is able to leave his job in less than a year and work full-time from home. It just shows people he likes to connect personally with his audience. Another great way to increase your engagement is to do lives often. You can do this when you get to 1,000 followers. And in case you're scared to do them, you can always do them with another person. And there's YouTube videos showing you how to do a live with another person. Also try posting a video right before you go live to get more views on that video. Here are some more ninja tips. Do 7-second videos with a lot of writing on them. That way it takes people a while to read it and the video will loop, so that counts as another view. It's a great way to get a lot of views and have people saving your video, which helps the algorithm. Also answer every single comment. When you have videos blow up like I have, it can take you a while, you can get behind, but make it a goal to comment back to every single person. And that's where keyboard shortcuts, like I've mentioned before, can save you a ton of time when you're answering people back. But I would definitely change up the wording just a little bit. So maybe have like 3 different responses so you don't come off as a spammer. That could be a problem with TikTok, but definitely answer every single comment. Next, post daily, ideally 3 to 5 times a day. Now this next tip comes from a 6-figure income earner I learned TikTok from, and he said the training that he took, they said if you can post 8 videos a day for 30 days, you can get to 10K in 30 days. Now what I would say to that is you have to know the right kind of content and have a high converting, high ticket offer to get to that 10K in a month. But that's inspiring to know that it's possible, right? And that's truly the power of TikTok. Then this next tip, I just want to drive the point home. It's super important to be consistent. So you need to post every day. So if you're only going to post 1 a day, stick with that. If you can consistently do 3 a day, that's much better, but don't post 3 in a day and then none for a couple of days. So if you know you can do a certain number a day, just pick that number and stick with it. And most people, like I do, batch their content on the weekends when you have more time and save them in your drafts to be posted every day throughout the week. I know someone who used to be a restaurant manager and got home at 2 a.m. in the morning, and he created 3 videos and then he saved them in his drafts and posted them the next day 3 different times. And I think he was able to replace his income in 4 months. Now in the intro I told you I would tell you the secret to making high ticket sales a friend of mine shared with me, or anything you want in your life, and it's not what you think. It's this book, Dollars Flow to Me Easily by Richard Dotz. You can get it on Amazon for under $10, or you can watch it on YouTube for free. And I would recommend that you play it at 1.25 the speed because it's in a robot voice. Just in case you don't know how to change the speed, you just click right here. And then change it to click here and change it to 1.25 the speed. I highly recommend you get this book and read it again and again, or you listen to the video over and over again and do what Richard says, because if you do, you can be living a life you've never dreamed of. I've studied personal development and manifestation for decades, and this is by far the simplest and most effective way to get what you want in life. I'll leave a link to the book and the video in the description below this video. I hope you go out there and crush it on TikTok. If you have a channel, drop your handle down below in the comments. I'd love to check it out. Let's continue the learning with this next video, how to make $100 to $300 per day with Facebook Reels. I think you'll get a ton of value from this. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.